How much time do people spend on car services like this? Not everyone wants a change. Carclenx invites you to the possibility of a change. Carclenx Movable Auto Spa app. With the Carclenx app, customers can make all kinds of car, bike and other services, household services and other services in their place right in front of their eyes. Carclenx Movable Auto Spa franchisee invites you to start an innovative and profitable venture. Carclenx Movable Auto Spa services to customers: foam wash, regular cleaning with water, steam services, dry wash, washing with organic chemicals to minimize water consumption, polishing and Teflon works, bike service, other detailing works, housekeeping, vacuuming, swiping, steaming, sofa cleaning and other cleaning works, and other services. Currently, there are about 110 movable auto spa franchisee units of Carclenx operating in Kerala and other states. A huge investment to start a business, a profitable business with no rent, no electricity bill, no pollution control issues. Let's see what are the features of a Carclenx movable auto spa. Steam, foam and dry wash services, water storage facility, mobile application facility, high-speed booking facility, 100% chase wash cleaning facility. A car service can be complemented with just 6 liters of water through steam service. 24/7 toll-free numbers available for booking, complaints and feedback provides Carclenx Movable Auto Spa for entrepreneurs on all van models and electric vehicles. Also available on Carclenx's basic movable auto spa service bikes. We deliver our services to our customers through the easy-to-use Carclenx mobile app. Customers can choose from ₹500 to ₹4,000 for packages and extra services through this app. In addition, we provide world-class machinery and its services to franchisees. Take a look at the machinery and other service kits provided by Carclenx. Optima Steamer, commercial steamer 4-bar pressure, commercial pressure wash set. Pressure pump is mainly used for foam washing and underbody washing. Organic dry wash kit, polishing compounds, helps with car polishing in the best way. Wash kit, foam bottle, vacuum cleaner, wet and dry, used to clean upholstery and rooftop, portable water tank. So many machines and their services provided by Carclenx for franchisee takers. Training, marketing and service support. For those who want to start a business, Carclenx guarantees proper training as well as marketing and service support for franchisees. Carclenx's mobile application service with high-speed booking facility. Carclenx franchisee cost. Let's see what are the different investment plans for those who want to take a franchisee of Carclenx Movable Auto Spa. A-type investment plan, ₹6,60,000 with Optima Steamer 9-bar pressure. B-type investment plan, ₹3,90,000 with normal steamers 4-bar pressure. C-type investment plan, ₹95,000 2-wheeler service unit, dry wash and detailing unit. Then, if the goal is a profitable venture, you can boldly choose Carclenx. Carclenx Movable Auto Spa for those traveling with the new age. For more information on franchisees,